Today I'm going to be working with this log. I don't know what type of wood it is, let alone I don't even know where it came from. But I do know that it's still kind of wet, so hopefully it'll make the turn a little bit easier, but I'm trying to see if I can get a nice vase out of it. We'll see how it goes. Hope you folks enjoyed this video. Lately I've been having problems while turning the wood. I pretty much thought it was me, but I'm starting to realize that you really need to keep these chisels sharp. This roughing gouge gave me a bit of a problem the last time I used it, but I took some time to sharpen it up and it seems to be working really well. But again, it takes a skill to be able to sharpen these chisels the right way. Now I will apply the pure walnut oil to the piece. Help protect it. Even though I'm going to put a finish on it, I still want to put this pure walnut oil in it. The wood is wet, it will dry, it will crack. Hopefully this will help it some. Now to cut the mortise into the bottom of the vase so that I can attach the chuck. I'll also be using a steady rest because of the length and the size of this vase. Don't want it to fly off and get ruined.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. Sound right, boys.
This gleam boat finish is really nice. It leaves a really nice finish on the piece. And also I noticed from the last time I used it that it kept the bowl from cracking. So I decided I'm going to use it again because this one here develops a bunch of cracks. And yeah, the outcome is pretty nice. Made it to the end without tearing anything up. I'm pretty happy with the outcome. Nice shape, nice shine, nice finish. Everything went according to plan. And if you made it this far into the video, totally appreciate your support. And as always, thanks for watching.
Boy.